Good morning, everyone. This is one of my short blade everyday carry cross draw knives. The blade is approximately 3 1/8 inches long. Overall length is about 6 1/4. 1/8 inch blade, full tang. 5160 high carbon steel. Fits well in the hand. It is a compact knife. It's meant to be that way. Can be carried on the front of the belt. This one is a right hand cross draw, so it would go on your belt right there. Can also be carried on the back as a scout carry if you choose, or on a upright belt strap, suspenders type thing on a pack. It's one of my most popular knives that I sell here. Three brass pins, walnut handle. Comes in several different kinds of wood as well. Tiger maple and dark cherry, along with the reclaimed Vermont barnwood that I have on my site. You can see all the examples on my page at furnacebrookironworks.com. And as always, you can contact me by email or phone if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.